Welcome to Sophia's science show. Today we'll be interviewing Professor Siri about polystyrene. Whoa!
Hey everybody!
So, Professor, what exactly is polystyrene?
Well, polystyrene is a type of polymer. In fact, it is the most important polymer ever created, but we'll get to that later. Polystyrene is made from a long chain of the monomer styrene, a colorless, oily liquid that evaporates easily and has a sweet smell. These styrene molecules are bonded through addition polymerization. This means that the double bonds in styrene turn into single bonds, and many styrene molecules then connect to form a long chain of them, called polystyrene. To start this reaction, we need an initiator. To make polystyrene, free radicals react with styrene, forming a free radical compound that reacts again and again as a chain reaction.
Cool! And I can't believe that such a complex substance was discovered by accident. That's right, by accident.
Yay.
Polystyrene was first discovered by Edward Simon, a German apothecarist, in 1839. He isolated the substance from a natural resin. Unbeknownst to him, he had made a scientific discovery that would not be recognized for another 80 years. Foam styrofoam, most commonly seen today, was not invented until Dow Chemical Company scientist Ray McIntyre serendipitously discovered it while trying to find a flexible electrical insulator.
Exactly. Polystyrene is such an interesting polymer. But it doesn't end there. Polystyrene has massive social implications too. It is a very strong polymer, similar to rubber, that can be injected, extruded, or blow molded, and is very inexpensive, so it is used for innumerable things. Most would recognize polystyrene in the form of foam, or styrofoam. Specific uses of polystyrene would include disposable kitchenware, refrigerator insulation, protective packaging for foods and fragile materials, certain electrical appliances, craft models, building materials, and numerous household items and decorations. It is also an important part of Napalm B, which was used to make incendiary bombs that were used extensively to bomb Japan and Germany in World War II. The massive importance of polystyrene can be seen in the fact that it is one of the most widely used plastics, with the scale of its production being several billion kilograms per year.
But there are certain negative societal and environmental effects of polystyrene, aren't there? Since it is made from petroleum, which is non-renewable and heavily polluting, it is very unsustainable. Its negative effect on the environment ranks second, behind only aluminum. Polystyrene is also known to be virtually non-biodegradable and takes from several decades up to centuries for polystyrene to deteriorate in the environment or in a landfill. Styrofoam litters shores and waterways around the world, contributing to urban litter and marine debris, which consequently destroys the environment and is detrimental to the wildlife that ingests it.
Well, I would disagree with a lot of what you said though. Although it can take long if we wait for polystyrene to decompose naturally, we can actually incinerate polystyrene. With plenty of air, polystyrene can be destroyed almost completely at 1,000 degrees Celsius. Plus, this incineration produces carbon dioxide, water, and heat, and the heat can be used as a power source, allowing polystyrene to benefit us humans again. It is actually a matter of human responsibility. When people say that polystyrene is harmful for the environment, it's just because they expect that humans can just carelessly produce an artificial substance and let it decompose naturally. But no, when we produce artificial substances, we are responsible for destroying them once we are done using them. If people understand this, and we incinerate our unused polystyrene, then polystyrene isn't so harmful to the environment after all.
So overall, polystyrene seems like an unbelievably good polymer. It is extremely useful, while its negative effects on the environment are actually very avoidable. Thank you for watching!
Thank you.